I feel like a villain, life is a dream, but the door's not ending. So all of the guys of love I'm sending, she don't want me for real, she protect. It's your boy Shawn, aka ShawnShawn YC, and we back with a brand new video, you feel what I'm saying? Look, different scenery, I know what's going on. Like, comment, subscribe. We got bro with me. Come on now. Feel me? This is day 56 of 100 days pulling up. You already know what the vibes is. Let's get day 56 started and complete. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow my Instagram. Follow my YouTube. Follow bro on TikTok. No cap. Like, comment, subscribe, man. Let's get day 56 started and complete. It's fake raining. You know, rain ain't stopping nothing. We back out here like, word. Shit ain't stopping nothing. Let's get this shit started, man. You know that. No style. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Here. Y'all know what's going on, man. Me and bro is on 50 on day 56. No cap. Wait, is this 56?
Yeah.
It is?
It is.
This is day 56. Shitting me? We about to switch real quick. Yeah. The rain stopped a little bit. Like, comment, subscribe. We're gonna get this other 50 started for y'all, so day 56 can be started and completed. You feel me? Yeah. Yo, man, me and bro is on 50 pull-ups on day 56. No cap. We've been giving y'all straight pull-ups. Yeah, air me. You feel me? We got a fiend in the cut. He's wildin'. Feel me? But, huh? Man, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, turn that post notification bell. Let's get this other 50 started and completed so we can be out of here, man. This is day 56. Fuck it. Yeah. Every Monday we drop. Oh, I bet. It's raining, y'all. Let's hurry up. My fault. One more chat. We chat too much. One. 2, 3, 4, 5. We still gotta do the run, so it don't even matter. Nah, yeah, but oh yeah. It don't even matter. That's a fact. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little bit stolen, a little bit. My fault, chat. Crack my back. Pause. I don't even know nothing like this. There's no music around, guys. Right, I ain't got no AirPods in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yes, 8, 9, 10. It's Sersky. Bat. I don't even know what he. Yeah, I know y'all see my pocket right now. My shit ripped. No cap. Look, my shit ripped. Don't even talk about my outfit. I got bullshit on. I should have wore shorts too. I ain't gonna lie. Like a step. Even though it's yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, man. Damn. This rain is raining. Word. Boy. Fuck, we should have brought out cleats if we knew we were gonna run on this shit. No cap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's go. Oh, this what? Bread. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ah, 30 more? Yeah. Damn. 30 more, boy. Boy. Stop playing with me, gang. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah. Mind you, he didn't actually, yeah. Yeah. He was mad close to his mic. See me, I would yell. What's that, 75? Yeah. 75. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. My shoulders is touching that shit, gang. I mean, I'm pulling up, right? 1, bring it up. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh. Good catch, buddy. Oh, nigga shitted on my bag. Y'all dead ass? Nah, word to my mother. Yo, no. Y'all gotta see this, gang. Yo, nah. Nigga shitted on my bag. Yeah. What? Nigga shitted on my bag. Nah, bro. Nah. Y'all on some funny shit. Nah, bro. Let me do my 15 so I got here, bro. He just shitted on my bag, bro. That gang. Shitted on my bag. Gang. Nah, bro. Yeah, bro. 15? 1. I'm mad. 3. I'm mad. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. I'm mad. They shit on my bag, bro.
Nah, you should have did on 15 if you so mad. 9, 10.
This shit hurt, gang. I should shit on their bag. They could shit on my bag. Let me shit on your bag. Where my mother?
1, 2,
Ah,
3, 4.
Fuck.
One
They
more.
shit on my bag.
You got one more. 5.
This Tursky.
Fuck, they really did shit on his bag.
They just shit on my bag, bro.
They really did shit
What
on
the
his
fuck?
bag, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, that is crazy. I really know, cause you gotta really think about it. Out of everywhere they could have put it, they put it on your bag. Yo, bro.
Shit is good.
Yo, nah, bro. On the whole lace.
They faithfully shitted on my bag, bro. What the fuck? Yeah, bro. Let's hurry the fuck up, bro. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You got 5 more?
Yeah.
Yes, Sirski.
I got one more. I'm lying. Oh, that shit make me laugh though, bro.
Shit is crazy, bro. Good. Rain picking up. We good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look. Yes, Sirski, man. Me and bro was on our last 5 of day 56, man. It's raining. Birds shit on my bag. All types of funny shit, bro. Niggas can't win. I can't win. Let me know.
Bro.
Feel me? Shit is crazy, bro. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow all our social medias, bro. We about to
I should be a part of the thumbnail.
You feel me? We about to do our last 5 of day 56, so we get the fuck out of here, you heard? Like, comment, subscribe, man. Ain't wasting no time. 2, 3.
Oh shit.
Oh, that shit hurt, dude.
I know.
Woo!
You gotta work on your abs.
Hell yeah. You know what's going on, man. Me and bro just gave y'all 100 pull-ups on day 56, you heard? Follow me. Follow bro on TikTok, YouTube. Follow me on Twitch. Follow me on Instagram. Follow bro on TikTok. This is day 56, and we out, man. I feel like a villain. Life is a dream, but the door's not ending. So all of the guys of love I'm sending. She don't want me for real. She